Hi, I am going to do a project using our word of the week, more. I have a pipe cleaner with a string I tied onto it. I'm going to just twist it like so. And I'm going to add Cheerios on here to make our bird feeder. We have one started. That one doesn't want to go on there. Does that look like enough for the birds to eat? I think we need more. We need more Cheerios. More Cheerios. We don't want our birds to be hungry. They want more Cheerios. We're going to put more Cheerios on till we finish this side. It's about 25 Cheerios per side, in case anyone would like to make them with their students or kids. Okay, now I'm just going to fold that over so the Cheerios don't fall out. And now I'm going to do my other side. Well, we have 4 on this side so far. I think we need more. We need more Cheerios. More Cheerios. More for the birds to eat. Okay, we're going to put more on until we are even with the other side that we did. So more on. Okay, we put more Cheerios on this side. It looks pretty even with the other side. Now we are going to fold these together and twist them and just fold that over. And now you can hang it on a tree or wherever you'd like and watch the birds eat their Cheerios. The end.